In this video, I'll show you how to create a floating icon effect in Premiere Pro. So the first thing we're going to do is just drag our icon onto the timeline like this, and then we're just going to select the icon and resize and place this to where you want it on the screen. Now make sure to move your playhead all the way to the beginning of the video clip like this, and then click on Window in the top navigation and make sure you have Effect Controls selected. Then click on the Effect Controls tab on the left hand side. Next to Position, click on the timer icon to create a new keyframe. Now we're going to move this keyframe 20 frames forward. You can do this by holding down the Shift key and then using the right arrow key and pressing it 4 times. From here, you need to hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then you're just going to adjust these values slightly. Now once again hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key 4 times, and then just like before hold down the Control key and move these values ever so slightly. Now you need to keep repeating this process until you have around 10 keyframes. Once you have 10 keyframes, you can select all of the keyframes like this, press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy them, and then move your playhead to the very last keyframe. With the last keyframe selected, press Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste them, and then we're just going to repeat this process 2 or 3 times. So once again, move your playhead to the end of this keyframe, and then we can just press Ctrl V on our keyboard to paste the keyframes. So once you've done this 4 or 5 times, if we now play this back from the beginning, you can see we've created this float effect. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.